Are you going to put your bed in here with Mummy and Daddy?
You probably sell it $60.
Oh, do you want to sleep in here, Mummy and Daddy?
Actually, not the worst blind date I've ever been on.
Do you want to put your bed in here with Mummy and Daddy? Yeah?
Ew, ew, ew,
Okay.
ew, ew, ew.
If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it, and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know it, clap your motherfucking hands.
Chewy. Choo-choo. It's time to get up, baby. I know. Come on. It's already over 12 o'clock. You still sleeping, Choo-choo? Chewy. Well, hello. Come on, baby. What's the matter? What's the matter? Not feeling good today? What's the matter? Ooh, your eye. You sleepyhead. What are you crying about? Huh?
Look at this dog.
Lily. Oh, you're being a dick. Lily. Oh, I'm sorry. Am I bothering you? How about you move? There. That's better. Oh, Lucy didn't like that.
बच्चों अच्छा सोना है चलो ठीक है सो जाओ ओके गुड नाइट बच्चों
A lot of you have been asking me why I have Logan and why I need a service dog. I have multiple conditions that he helps mitigate, including POTS, PTSD, and a brain injury. He alerts my migraines up to 30 minutes before they happen so that I can be relatively okay by taking medication. He also alerts to changes in heart rate, changes in anxiety levels, as well as retrieval tasks, grounding work, and pressure therapy. He has a long list of tasks, but if you would like more information, feel free to check out our Instagram @Logan the Service Dog. Thanks.